Man, you hear all kinds of stories in places like this. People talking about celebrities, wild rumors. Even Diddy got folks joking. Baby oil jokes everywhere. Cell block talk be wild.
Yeah.
Take it for what it is. Jail talk ain't always truth.
Bro, they clowning Diddy crazy in here.
Everywhere you go is baby oil jokes. They call him the king of baby oil.
I ain't never seen somebody as famous in jail talk.
Man, Diddy name ring different behind these walls.
Yo, I can't believe dude really brought baby oil in here.
Man said Lily snuck that in like it was toothpaste.
Only Diddy could have the whole block talking about baby oil.
Jail got rules, but Diddy got a reputation.
Yo, check the floor, he couldn't cope. Yeah. Mr. Bad Boy dropped the soap.
Listen up! They can lock up your body, but they can't lock up your mind! They can't!